This is Tinkercad. This is the software that we are going to use to design for our 3D printing. Now, in order to get there, in the search bar, you can type in tinkercad.com. Hit enter and it will take you right to this page. Now, once you're to this page here, you're going to go to the upper right-hand corner and click Sign In. You already have a Tinkercad account. Even if you're in 6th grade and just joined Patton Middle School, you have a Tinkercad account. Click Sign In. Now, you're going to sign in with Google. Okay, so click Sign In with Google. That's going to bring you to Tinkercad. It's going to ask you which account. I have a couple because I have home and school. And then it's going to ask your password, maybe. If not, don't worry about it. This one did. But after doing all of those things, it's going to end up taking you to the main page. Now, if you've never used Tinkercad before, it might pop up some lesson or thing for you to do. Just click out of it until you see this main screen. Okay, now what we're going to be doing is we are going to be doing the tutorials that teach you how to use Tinkercad. And in order to do so, we're going to come up and click on the Learn button here. It's up in the upper right-hand corner. My mouse is on it. We're going to click Learn. It's going to bring us to this tutorial page. This one we are going to do is the starters. So we're going to click Starters. And if you scroll down, you can also click the button that says See All Starters. That's going to show you all the different starters we are going to go through to be able to use Tinkercad to make your 3D design. All right, once you get to this part, we are going to end up starting on the Place It, and you're going to go ahead and click on that. So again, Learn, Starters, Place It. So let's open this one up. Okay. Now I'm going to have to undo it a little bit, reset, because I've already gone through this. Reset current project, yes. Okay. For the tutorial, you're going to see this screen. And in this screen, we have a work plane. It's basically a blue grid that we're going to build on. And Tinkercad has these different tasks for us to do so that we can learn how to do all of the different building techniques that are in Tinkercad. And Tinkercad's really nice. They actually give you the directions that you can read, and then they give you an image of what to do, and here's the instructions. So let's follow this through. It says, welcome to Tinkercad. We're excited to have you with us. Tinkercad is used to build all types of creations by adding and removing shapes from the design workspace. This is the design workspace. Let's add a shape to the work plane now. Okay, so I'm going to scroll down now so I can get to the instructions. Okay, instructions. See the orange shape on the work plane. Okay, I see an orange shape right here in the middle of the work plane. It says that's a hint. Hints help guide you as you get started. Then it says find the box shape in the Shapes panel on the right-hand side of the screen. Let's go to the right-hand side, Basic Shapes. Now, we have a box that is actually a hole, and we have a red box, okay? So we're going to click our mouse, left click, and drag the box shape to the hint on the work plane. Okay, that's what we did. What's the next step? Number 5, continue to the next step. I'm going to click Next. It says, congratulations, you did it. You have successfully started your journey to becoming a designer. Let's keep going. I'm going to stop the video here, and in the next video, you're going to move on to the next step in the tutorials, which is going to be, dun, 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 view it. All right, good luck. Go through this, and then we'll go on to the next step.